guys? Once again, welcome to another video. This is Nairobi, guys. I'm coming to you from Nairobi, and we are in the areas of Dono. Guys, I'm headed to my place of worship, and in case you are planning to use public means in Nairobi for transport, then this is the kind of experience you're gonna have. Very heavy traffic in the morning, guys. When you meet a traffic like this and they are rushing to a very important place, then guys, you're gonna be having a very bad day. As you can see how the traffic is flowing slowly. Yeah, you can see this is a public bus right over there. Some personal vehicles right here. Yeah, so guys, I'm going to my place of hustle. This is how life is in Nairobi, especially in the morning. And everyone is rushing to their place of hustle. Very heavy traffic, guys. This kind of traffic in the morning can really mess you up when you are rushing to a place. It's always very advisable, to be ahead of time, especially if you want to use a public means. Guys, I'm gonna use this shortcut right over here. People have created, these shortcuts here to enable them reach to the other side of the road. On that side is Lunga Road. This is Taring Road. So people have broken this wall, this fence rather, to create this kind of shortcut, which is also a trespass, to access the other road, more easily. Yeah, guys, this is how Nairobians commute to their place of hustle. All these people you see right over here are heading to their place of work. Then we meet a small slum right over here. This slum is known as Kait, which is just next to Dono. Then right ahead, like 100 meters from here, is our bus station. This is where most people from this area, catch their bus to their place of hustle. A lot of these people, guys, you see right over here, work in the industrial area. You can see businesses have already opened. Small hotels, along the streets. Selling some beautiful mandazis have already opened. Fruits in the morning. All these guys are here. My guys are waiting for a bus to get to their place of hustle. cycle to my place of work because I'm already now in the main road. So guys, this is how sometimes, not every time, but this is how I sometimes commute to my place of hustle. Especially when I feel like I'm late and I don't want to use the public means. I commute to work using this XUK bike, which is an old version of shimano bikes, one of the oldest versions of shimano bikes that I acquired from my neighborhood. Yeah, so guys, come with me guys as I give you how a typical day in Nairobi looks like. You can see some other guys there trekking to their place of hustle. This is Nairobi guys. These guys you see are most likely are coming from their places of work, from night shifts. All these are industries guys, and this is where officially industrial area begins from. Yeah, these people you see on the other side are coming from their place of work. And we are just next to the Kenya Pipeline Company. That's why you see a lot of oil trucks on that other side. Yeah, that is an oil company. That is the Kenya Pipeline is just somewhere here. That's why you see all these oil trucks parked here. Then we also have got the National Cereals and Produce Board right over there. Yeah, so basically industrial area begins from Donholm and stretches all the way to Mombasa Road. All this you see right over here are lots and lots of companies. That's also a cyclist like me who's going to their work by a bike. In Nairobi, you just use whatever means you find applicable to you to access your working area. Guys, we are in the areas of Sinai. Guys, in the next few minutes I'll be getting to my place of hustle. From my home to my place of hustle, it's like 5 to 6 kilometers. And so, any time from now I'll be getting to my place of hustle. There is a bench shell, pepper soup right over here. So guys, I'll see you later in the day, maybe lunchtime. And later in the evening as I take you back home. So stay tuned till the end of the video. What's up guys, once again I'm back. And it's lunchtime, and I'm in this slum of this is Lunga slum, and the areas of Lunga. So guys, come with me as I show you. I'm gonna be having my lunch. Guys, it's an hotel I showed you in another video. It's just right ahead here, just next to this Coca-Cola depot. So guys, we have improvised this kind of system for washing hands. Since COVID-19 hit our country, guys, a lot of hotels have embraced this kind of system of washing hands.
Na makundi haya kubali kusitisha vita, japo tulikuwa ukadumu kwa muda mfupi tu. I'd like to that the signing of this peace agreement here today is a victory for the people of Uganda as a whole. Kwani Museveni anaelekea Kampala na kujipa.
So guys, this is what I'm gonna be having for lunch. One of the delicacies I love so much from this hotel. These are basically ugali and some matumbo. Matumbo is basically the intestines. It could be of a cow, it could be of a goat, but I guess this one is from a goat. Yeah, so guys, this one I've got to be having for lunch. Super delicious, especially now that we are in the heart of Lunga slums. This is one of the best hotels, in this neighborhood. So guys, let me have my lunch. I want to be catching up with you in a few. So guys, that's where I was having my lunch at that small hotel. And this amazing slum of this is the Lunga slums, just next to this depot of Coca-Cola. So guys, I'm gonna catch up later in the evening with you. Stay tuned till the end of the video. So guys, I've just left my place of work and I'm now going home, guys. But then before I get home, I'm gonna look for somewhere here to go and fix my bike. So guys, stay with me as I fix my bike. All these people that you see here, guys, I'm coming from their place of work, perhaps in some of these companies that you see right over here. So somewhere here, there is a guy who fixes our bikes and motorbikes. That's where I'm heading. Some school is right over there. So guys, this is where I'm gonna be fixing my bike. My gear system has got an issue. That's why I'm gonna be changing this as soon as the freeway. So guys, come with me as I talk to the technician in summary. Hizi akala unauzaje?
Akala ni 300.
Oh, so that. Guys, there are some nice akala shoes right over here. This kind of shoes are very popular with the Maasai, among the Maasai community. They are the best for, you know, grazing animals in the field, because I feel like this one cannot be pricked, you know, by a thorn, and therefore this kind of shoes are very popular with the Maasai. One of these days I'm gonna get a pair, you know, for using in my village when I'm in my village. Yeah, so guys, they are made from car tires. Very durable shoes. So guys, I'm here trying to fix my bike. The founder has already removed the chain, like you can see. I'm gonna be replacing, this is the gear system of our bike, of our mountain bike. Like you can see, like the lower 2 or 3 plates are worn out, totally worn out. And every time I'm cycling, the chain kind of skips, which is very risky. So that's what the food is working on right now. The areas of Sinai, guys, you can see guys are coming from the areas of work. Everyone is coming from their place of work. So yeah, this is also part of industrial area, because there are also some companies right over here. This is the Pembe flour manufacturing company. Yeah. There are lots and lots of companies right ahead of here. Also, these are companies. Basically, this is where industrial area begins. This area is known as Sinai in Nairobi.
Nataka niweke. Alafu ndio nakuletea na mkisa. Unaona hii? Nimekuletea.
Kwani mnajuana?
Tunajua huyo kwa fundi, si alikuwa hadi kwa Mustafa. Sina ananijua. Wangu tunajua tu fundi jamu. Hivyo. Huyu kitu kali ndiye anasimamanga kwa hiyo kitu kali. Tunamjua. Fundi. Nakwambia.
Brand new guys. Mbona nikuuliza hii kama siendeshe sana, basically nafaa ikaa muda gani?
Kitu inaweza kaa sana. Hii kitu inaweza kaa hata miaka. Guys, all these people you see walking right over here are coming from their place of hustle.
Here in industrial area, guys. Like I told you guys, I'm fixing my bike. Anytime from now, the full will be over and I'll be cycling now. So stay tuned, guys, till the end of the video.
Miswaki mbili na dhati, vichungi mbili na dhati, ya kuosha vyombo na mbao. Karibu customer. Miswaki mbili na dhati, vichungi mbili na dhati.
Guys, I'm finally home. See you in the next video.
Mira,